Malcolm! From China. Ta-da. I ordered this a while ago. I ordered this before the recall and the whole remake, so I'm very excited this is here. Let's see, I did not pay good enough attention to my framing. Here we go. I have a box of treasures here. That's knives. I need to pick the perfect thing to open this. Let's see, I've got Chinese stiletto. No. A bigger Chinese stiletto. No. Perfect knife. What do we have? How about... No, that won't work. Ah! Standard. Real Italian stiletto. No. Not flashy enough. Nah. Oh, here we go. Baby buck, baby buck. So this is pretty rad. Notice, tune before use. Make your last bad cut here. Man, I have given myself so many stitches. I don't think I'm ever going to have a bad last cut. She's tight. There we go. Ooh. I like that. That's sexy. I think I'm gonna fiddle with this for a minute, tune it, and then I'll flip this around so you can see a little bit better and I can actually see what I'm doing. Okay, so first things first, I should have grabbed a blade. I got the one that opted for not carrying a blade, or having a blade. And now it seems my Stanley thingy is jammed. Because of course it is. Well, shit. That's frustrating. There's one. Huh. Dispenser was full of sawdust. Go figure. So, for some reason this appears to want to be orientated for lefties. I don't like that. I mean, not that I dislike lefties. I don't like it in that orientation. Poke myself. So, on my own time, I am going to flip this pocket clip to the other side. But that's cool. I like that. So, for the sake of comparison here, I have a DiResta ice pick. I have a vintage Craftsman Scout pattern, little slip joint. I have a bottle cap. Somewhere in my toolbox of treasures, have a hand tool rescue wrench, which is, you know, maker merch. Maker merch. That's cool. And here's a "Don't Tread on Me" bumper sticker. Okay, just for fun. 13-inch stiletto. I have the Mossy Oak knife. And this is what I was carrying for a while at work. The Gerber EAB, I guess it's called. And because for some reason it's in this box, here's a 45 long Colt casing. Okay. I flipped my pocket clip so it's on my side, righty. This will be in my pocket this way. Tuning this a little bit so it doesn't pop out. Yeah, that's a pretty good one. I might have to go a little bit tighter. And then it finally dawned on me. There's stuff underneath the fancy foam here. If only they provided you with a tool to remove fancy foam. And pretty sure... Ooh! One for the toolbox and one for the truck. Ooh! One for the toolbox, one for the truck. Oh, yeah. You know what? I did watch a bunch of these openings. Oh, and they got backup screws. So if you don't want the pocket clip, you have an option. And for the tensioner adjustment. Cool. Instructions. I should have read those. That would have saved me from going through every single Torx bit in my collection. But isn't that the way things usually work? So yeah. It's cool. I like it. That's an odd opening mechanism. Because pull it out, open it, and then you gotta shimmy. But, I mean, it's still all one-handed, so I guess it's really just nitpicking. I feel like I need a logo of mine right here. Yeah. He's cool. I like it. I mean, it's a utility knife. Be cool if, like, oh, maybe you could open a bottle with it or something. I think that would be cool. Maybe he'll come out with a version 2 and he'll have a bottle opener. And then it could even open bottles. Ow. Went too far. Damn it, now I want the brass one too.